Well, here we are. Wendy and I are sailing together in Cabo Verde, but sadly, we have to go our separate ways. I'm going to Lisbon this weekend to do a job with some Canadian friends to inspect the boat. And I've ordered a new carburetor and a new throttle cable for my little Yamaha 2-stroke 5 horsepower. So I don't have any more of these problems. And we're in Palmyra, it's cool. And while I'm away this weekend, Wendy's gonna hang out at this little hotel that I found for her until I get back on Sunday. So I'm away for 3 nights. She can hang out for 3 nights. Anyways, that's another story. You'll see what's going on. Just as we were about to leave, a friend, Jair, offers me a mooring. It would be windy, and he urged me to properly secure Galopin. Then we got this crew to take us ashore.
Wanneer hebben we hem? Whitney. Yannick. Marcel. Vous êtes pescadores ou não? The boys here. Whitney, Marcel, Yannick. Bon nom français, Marcel. Et nom bien vaut. Give me a ride to land, because my dinghy's staying on Galopin, because me and Wendy are going to Santa Maria. These guys are cool enough to give me a ride.
These boys are already enterprising by giving us a lift. Then, I asked them to keep an eye on Galopin. And I told them they'd be on YouTube.
Vamos, vou tocar l'autre boat. Elle est normale.
Okay, so we had to take a boat to get to the car, which stopped here so we could take another car.
Me and Wendy. Good talk. We're going on another excursion to Santa Maria this time. With Galopin. Over there in Palmyra, it's more safe, much seguro. So here we are, a little apartment hotel for Wendy while I'm away in Portugal. We just got here waiting for our room key. It's pretty cute. Wendy's a little concerned. She said there's too many white people. I said, well, this is what Sal's all about. It's all tourist. That's all it is. There aren't too many Cape Verdeans. Cape Verdeans are the ones that work. And the rest are us. Sorry. I'm going. We're waiting for the key for our apartment. Part hotel. It's pretty nice here, right on the beach. The only thing is Wendy's concerned. Tem so Bronx. I say, well, welcome to tourist life. Mostly only white people.
Welcome to white privilege, Wendy. I rented this studio apartment in Santa Maria for 3 nights while I would be away. I didn't want to leave Wendy alone on Galopin. She would have been a prisoner there because of the dinghy issue. This will not do for my star crew member. Santa Maria is the most developed island for tourists, and it's nice. So let's splurge for a typical tourist dinner before we split up.
Oi, Wendy, hoy hago hamburger. Got mini burgers, and Wendy's got a big burger. Versus seaweed. Onion rings, batata frita, coleslaw, caray, sap. Caray, it's sap, gosta. He's tasting coleslaw for the first time. Gosta?
Then I took another car to the plane, taking off at 12:30.
Now here I am in Lisbon. At the airport, I'll tell you one thing, man. Traveling by plane is not like traveling by boat. Man, what a hassle. I miss my Galopin. I'll be back soon.
Herded like cattle. But I'm playing. Couldn't sleep well. All of a sudden I had a coughing fit. So was embarrassed. Everybody was like, "Who's that asshole coughing?" Jeez. All right. Thank goodness we're here. Gonna meet the buds, Canadians. Check out this boat. This is cold here, man. It's only 13 degrees. All right, let's get to the hotel. Well, I finally checked into the hotel. Woo! And much to my surprise, there's a bath. It's been at least 3 years since I've taken a hot bath. I was back in Switzerland. Oh, that's the one little thing I miss about living on the Cabo Verde boat. No hot bath to soak into. Oh, so nice. Oh, wow. Sapagaga, as they say in Cabo Verde. Woo. Nice as shit. That's what it means, basically. Now I gotta get out, sleep for a couple of hours, because Canucks are coming to wake me up in 2 hours to go work. I can stay here for hours, man. Ciao.
After a couple hours of sleep, we drove to the very south of Portugal, Adgar. And after lunch,
Here we are in a marina to look at this boat.
this is why I've been brought here, to see a boat and what it would need to sail down to Cabo Verde. And I may do it, but it wouldn't be until late summer or fall. And here it is. It's a great boat, a Jano like Galopin, but at 52 foot. It will need some blue water upgrades like a better anchor, which I found in a sail locker, and a lot more chain, at least 80 meters. The boat is in great shape, an older model, so it's solid. However, it needs a modern upgrade with the navigation system in autopilot. It's like it's got flip phone technology and needs to upgrade to a smartphone technology. As well, it's got no solar or wind generation to charge the batteries. The boat has been used as a weekend cruiser, not a full-time world cruiser. I mean, sure, I could sail it as is, but it would be a chore. So we'll see if the owner, who is originally Portuguese and living and working in Canada, is up to spending Canadian cash to smarten up his boat. And we can sail it down to Cabo Verde, and it would be an honor. My new Canadian friends sure honored the occasion with a dinner at this place. A hot bath is not the only thing I had not had in years. A steak dinner. We all decided on filet mignon, but first carpaccio, buffalo mozzarella, and steak tartare starters. And a host of sides like truffle mash, potatoes, Stilton sauce, mushrooms, and yes, grilled veggies. And Parmesan and truffle fries. And this is the place in Lisbon.
Okay, this was my hotel room for a couple days here. It's been a while since I've been in a hotel room doing a whole business thing. That's nice change, but I still miss my galopin. A nice view of Lisbon here. Nice bed. It's been a long time since I slept in a nice comfy bed with high thread sheets. Little salon area with another view of Lisbon back here. Great bathroom with a bath. And what was really cool too, I got my new carburetor sent here. So I can fix up my dinghy when I get back to Palmera. Tonight, back on a plane. Oh, I so don't like to fly in airplanes anymore. Not because I'm afraid of airplanes, it's just cramped and you gotta wait in line and yeah. Traveling on a sailboat is so much more comfortable. Slow, but comfy.
welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Wind and Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.